Okay, welcome to the channel. This is going to be the first of many technical analysis breakdowns. First off, I'll say my name is Joe, CEO of Spartan FX, and I've been trading for more than 10 years. So, yeah, welcome to the channel. I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to start with Bitcoin because it has moved up quite a lot the last few days. Broke a major key level here, and I gave this trade out to my community members. However, today is on a little bit of a pullback. XRP, another trade given out to the community members, moving quite nicely. Broke a major level on the 8th of May, which was also given out to community members. And also Solana, which was given out on the 8th of May as well. So yeah, that's the cryptos for you, moving quite nicely. Other than Bitcoin letting us down a little bit, but we'll see what happens with that one in a couple of days. USD is breaking through a nice little level. Very bullish day. Going to keep an eye on that one. NZD JPY is moving nicely. Currently at £82 profit. That's twice because I've got two positions on this one. So yeah, looking so far so good. GBP JPY, beautiful bullish day today. Currently at £84 twice. Like I said, two positions. Yeah, beautiful. GBP AUD, we have been in this trade for a little while. Gave it out to community members on the 4th of December. So yeah, we had a bit of a drawdown here for a couple of days till, and then end of January took us back out. Then it took us a little bit back in early Feb, and then absolutely rocketed through, hitting our first target. Did come close to our second target, however, it has pulled back a little, retraced a little bit last couple of weeks, but is green for the day, so nice. Got £225 running that one on that position so far. GBP Swiss franc in a little bit of a drawdown, and we have been in it for a while since the 4th of April. Was coming close to our first target, but has retraced back up, so it could hit us out for a small loss. No problem, part of the game. GBP CAD has been rebounding a little bit. Been in this trade for since the 14th of April. Have had a few bullish days, so hopefully we should rocket up towards our first target. If not, just a small loss, part of the game, part of trading. Euro JPY, we've been in this trade for since the 9th of April. Starting to go a little bit higher. Same again, been confluencing a little bit. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye on that one. Currently at £120 profit. Aussie Swiss, been in this one since 18th of March. No, tell a lie. No, 6th of March. Smashed through our first target, which was absolutely beautiful, and then has pulled back a little bit. Could continue lower, or it could kick us out for a break even, because I've moved the stop losses to break even. I don't really do following stop losses. I have my target set, and then I go from there. As soon as it hits the first target, boom, we move it to break even. Just things that I teach my community inside my community. So yeah, there's that one. Euro Swiss, been in a bit of a drawdown. Entered in on the 28th of April. In a drawdown by about £30, about 60 quid. There's two positions. Got a target set. Same again, could kick us out for a small loss, or could tank. See what happens with that one. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, moving up very slowly, but it is moving up towards our first target. Community members received that trade on the 3rd of April. So happy days. Majority of all of my trades, well, other than 2, are in profit. This is another trade that hit the smash for our first target, and then we moved it to break even. And same again, it's either going to fly higher and kick us out for a break even trade, or it's going to go lower for a £743 profit. Currently at £300 profit. Aussie JPY gapped up beautiful today. £254 profit. So yeah, hopefully in the next couple of days that should hit our first target. Haven't got any trades on gold, but I do want to talk about it. Is on a bit of a bear. Last few days have been bearish, but gold's just one of those where long term, I personally am a buyer, and could have a nice pullback, maybe down to these levels, and then continue going higher. There's so many things affect gold, so many things. But overall, the last few years, 3 or 4 years, it's been absolutely flying. So yeah, keep an eye on that one. Silver, same again, very similar. It moves very similar to gold. Yeah, gas, not sure gas. Not really much going on. Copper, we had a beautiful trade at the start of the year. Absolutely beautiful. Hit our 10-to-1 profit. S&P 500 breaking major levels. Everybody's saying we was going to have a recession, but nah, just a bit of fear. I mean, overall, S&P 500, same again, a bit like gold, last 3 or 4 years, if not more. It's been on an uptrend. These pullbacks happen. It's part of the game. Got to shake out them weak hands. So yeah, US 30, same again, same as S&P 500. Let's talk about stocks. Tesla, beautiful trade. I trade it all. We trade it all in my community. Bitcoin, crypto, Forex, stocks. My strategy works in all markets, all trending markets anyway. Crypto, stocks, the lot. You can also do it day trading. So if you're a day trader, you can use it on the smaller time frames, like the 15-minute or the 5-minute. But my personality just suits swing trading. That's just the way I am. I've tried day trading. It's just not quite for me. But yeah, swing trading just suits my personality. Everybody's different. And as you do get more into trading, you'll find out what works for you. My full strategy is in my community. I'm teaching my members. So link will be in the description if you want to join today. So yes, Tesla moving nicely from this key level. Netflix has been performing beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Did try a few times getting on this trade and eventually got in nicely on the 9th of April. Got a little bit of a bearish day today, but not to worry. I still think this year Netflix is going to go higher. And Uber is moving very nice. 9th of April, that trade was given to community members. Yeah, with my community, for £50 a month, you're learning to trade. You're also getting my trades, and we're all doing it together as a community. So hit that link in the description to join today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're currently up £523 for the day, if you can see that. Yeah, just there. With all my trades combined, just over £3,000. And yeah, they've moved. Trades have been moving nicely today. £523. So yeah, just wanted to kind of come on, introduce myself. I will be doing a lot more of these videos, 2 or 3 times a week. So hit that like button and subscribe button. And yeah, stay tuned. See you guys in the next one.